Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Shopmium website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in shopmium.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shopmium website. Now once you are within this page, you will not see a language button directly at the start. Just scroll all the way down, and once you are at the end of the page, look at the bottom left corner and you will see your current country or region. Just click on whatever region is selected, and now you will see the other regions that are available. If you choose any other region with the language that you wish to view the website in, this will now change the Shopmium website interface to the language that you just selected. And now you will be able to use the website and the services within this language. If you wish to change the language at any time, you can once again scroll all the way at the bottom left and then click on the currently selected country and language. Then choose the one that you wish to change into and it will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on Shopmium. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.